a record for carbon dioxide emissions.
Exceeded the 400 ppm level, which was regarded as a critical.
Is unfit for human habitation. It's going to shorten the life of each and every person.
Air pollution. It accounts for 9 million deaths every year globally. More than 95% of the world's population breathes polluted or hazardous air. So we asked ourselves, what could we do? For the first step in our project, we got in contact with an air pollution expert.
Hi, Griffin.
Hi, Larry. To start off, what exactly do you do?
I'm a press officer, and so that means I work with the media to provide them information on the work that the Department of Environmental Protection does.
Okay, and what do you think is the biggest contributor to air pollution?
Vehicles. Vehicles are a big part of our air pollution problem today.
This makes sense because not only do vehicles give off emissions while being used, they also give off emissions when being produced. But before we talk to you about what we did to reduce air pollution, let's talk about some of the health effects.
Polluted air often contains excessive amounts of these chemicals: ammonia, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and other harmful substances. When large quantities of these toxic chemicals are inhaled, it displaces oxygen in the bloodstream and cripples the heart and other vital organs. Carbon monoxide levels of over 70 ppm can have long-term effects on your lungs similar to smoking. Not only that, but carbon monoxide could lead to numbness, unexplained vision problems, sleep disturbance, and impaired memory and concentration. In places like New Delhi, the ppm level can reach 599 at times. The air quality is so severe that living there for one day is equivalent to smoking 50 cigarettes in 24 hours. Thanks to things like factories and cars, our air is getting more and more deadly each year, and we thought that just wasn't right.
So let's get into what we did.
This is a model of what the school area normally looks like during typical hours. And this is what happens during arrival and dismissal. Cars piling up and unnecessary pollutants being emitted into the air.
Clearly there was a lot of traffic during arrival and dismissal. So we started analyzing the traffic to get a better understanding of it.
We used a drone and several ground cameras to get the best views of the traffic.
In order to fly a drone in our community, we had to get in contact with the Federal Aviation Administration. Over the course of 3 days, we were able to observe traffic patterns and pinpoint some problems.
Now, here's the data we collected. About 84 cars turn right each day, and 9 cars turn left each day. In total, 15 minutes every day is wasted idling. It was clear that people wanted to turn right rather than left, so we made sure our solution prioritized turning right.
So here's our solution. 2 ultrasonic sensors and an LED are connected to an Arduino which we then coded. When one ultrasonic sensor senses an object, the LED does not turn on. However, when both the ultrasonic sensors sense an object, the LED turns on. This is because there will be multiple cars, so they both would have to sense it and trigger the LED, which would stop the cars at Union Avenue and allow cars to turn without other cars to turn.
The reason why we're trying to reduce pollution is simple. Less traffic equals less air pollution. We discovered that 428 pounds of CO2 was emitted in our 3 days of observation alone. And with our solution, we can reduce the traffic up to 20%, which can lead to a cleaner, better Earth.
Thank you for watching.